Yes, people, I am here again with an epic video for the world to see what is going on into the world. But before we start, guys, if you're playing a match with Likkle Addi and Vybz Kartel, even Likkle Vybz, bro, maybe I should just say all of Vybz Kartel clans. You understand? Yes, the whole of the Gaza Empire, bro. You're playing football with these guys. Trust me, bro. Trust me. You cannot win. You cannot win because this one is man of the match, bro. God. Yes, man of the match now by those names that I just called, Likkle Addi and Vybz Kartel, bro, with his sons. His two sons are there. Maybe more because, you know, Vybz Kartel like king, so them man, they are king up the road. You see me, I say? Yeah, a big girl, man. Wait. Yes, people. So we're gonna get right into it. Before we get right into it, all of my silk reaction people, yo, big up on yourself, people, subscribe right now. Don't play with me. You understand? People, big up on yourself. Y'all going hard on my subscribe from the last few days, bro. You understand? People, big up on yourself. Enough love and respect. You understand? God bless every one of you people right now. See ball there? That's the ball right there. Eh? These guys do not have two right foot or two left foot, bro. One strike, goal. Yo, bro, this video is epic, bro. Here, pitty ding. This video is epic, bro. You understand, people? We're gonna get right into it right now, guys. I know y'all want to hear this music. Y'all want to hear these music, matter of fact, because Vybz Kartel sons, they are artists as well. They DJ as well. You understand? Yes. They have YouTube channel, bro. Like y'all can check out their YouTube channel. Look at Vybz, look at Addi. You understand? So they follow the father footstep. You understand, guys? Yes. Vybz Kartel, dancehall king. You understand? These guys is hilarious, bro. They have unique energy in their video as well. Bro. If you're not a Gaza fan, bro, be a Gaza fan right now. Alright, be a Gaza fan right now, people. We're gonna get right into it. I wanna see ball set so come and score. Just like how you guys scoring on my subscribe right now. Okay?
Jackson for Cole Palmer. That is a lovely touch. What a goal!
What did I just tell you, bro?
Man of the match dog, send him money now, yeah, the cash off for hands on. Hustle like daddy, him get it from my grandpa. See him way I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform.
Hustle like daddy, him get it from my platform. Hustle like daddy, him get it from my grandpa. Hustle like daddy, him get it from my grandpa. Yo, bro, no capping, bro. No capping. Hustle like daddy, him get it from my grandpa. Bro, lyrics, bro.
Man of the match dog, send him money now, yeah, the cash off for hands on. Hustle like daddy, him get it from my grandpa. See him way I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform.
Y'all see him way them do it, people, y'all understand. See him way them do it, none no mismatch. On Gaza now. M.O.T.M. You understand, mother of the match?
Me don't say Addi, she said. Me not fall in love, pan cocky, she fell. Money can't do enough, so me tackle the bread. Booty clocks boot down, me go bally the crep. Book a first class flight, now I bally me there. I grade in a brain, grab a first me chest. That them rich a fuck, so me happy feed them. Pick a side from now, pussy what to me rep. Gosh. Man of the match dog, send him money now, yeah, the cash off for hands on. Hustle like daddy, him get it from my grandpa. See him way I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform. Man of the match dog, send him money now, yeah, the cash off for hands on.
This song tough like stone. Vybz Kartel have to be in this song, bro. He have to say something on the rhythm, bro. He have to say
like daddy, him get it from my grandpa. See him way I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform. Start up the ball game, me go fix things. Skill like Lionel Messi plus Christie. 3-piece, 2-time, 1 game, big 6. Lockdown every street plus this bitch. Gaza, training enough he pick me. Boy, them a
training enough he pick me. People, training is not for kids, guys. It's not for kids. You hear what he said?
Tune like Disney, team diff, real diff, our district.
First, I want to say, bro, I love the jersey. You understand that color? It's epic, bro. Oh, right there, I see them on the screen. Not promoting no one else, no cartoon, no other movie, just the Gaza. You understand, people? I like the video. I like, oh, it's set. You understand? Man of the match, they on the field playing football, and you know, yeah, pile of man swing it ball over there, so swing it right over here. So you understand? And score. Boom, isn't it? Yeah.
UTG, everything it fully. Man of the match, dog. Send the money now, you the cash up for hands on. Hustle like that, him get it from my grandpa. See him where I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform. Man of the match, dog. Send the money now, you the cash up for hands on. Hustle like that, him get it from my grandpa. See him where I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform.
Man of the match like Marlon. Box down a boy in fear of sense. Violate the Dan ends.
Yo, this is tricky. It's not only like football, bro. They're playing cricket as well. Man of the match. Boom, 6.
Fly your butt like Samuels.
Ha.
Me inna the deck 6, Susie inna the bad bench. Addi inna the Addi, no fool can call we. If I'm a football, we nah hold no corner. Me and my son them cool, Palmer.
Bro, like y'all don't understand. Vybz Kartel is freestyling, bro. He's freestyling. He didn't even write this down on paper, guys. He's freestyling, bro, right on the spot.
Man of the match, dog. Send him money
like
now, you the cash up for hands on. Hustle like that, him get it from my grandpa. See him where I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform. Man of the match, dog. Send him money now, you the cash up for hands on.
Hey, y'all can see this video as well. No one saladed, no one wanna get why in the video. Yeah, just check it out. No man, nah salad, no man.
Like that, him get it from my grandpa. See him where I'ma do it and I fuck up the platform.
See me with me. Rally. See you know. Bro, he even kicks straight, bro, because the camera is right there, right on the net, and the ball go right exactly where the camera. Yo, these guys can play football for real, bro. It's no capping. It's not only just a video, bro. They can play match for real, bro. Trust me. Palmer 20. See that? Yeah, man, the females have to be there. Without the females, this video can't be hilarious. People, y'all reach the end of the video right now, guys. Subscribe to Silk Reacts right now. People, subscribe. Thank you very much, people. Who is the man of the match? Yeah, hey, I love the video, yeah. Bro, one you uptown. Gaza Records, big up on yourself, youth. Yeah, man, I'm go hard on the directing. I know that. Yo, boop, man, I'm much. Yeah, this song is tough, bro. Every lyrics is on point, bro. Vybz Kartel even add the cricket in there, bro. Kick. You understand? Yes. People, check out my next video. Check out my next video, bro. Check out my next video. Even the previous one. Like, share, and subscribe. People, I'm out.